Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I want to thank you so much for hitting that play button. And no, I don't have any hazmat, so I don't have to stop at the railroad tracks. Which I never see a train on there anyway, but you would still stop if you had the hazmat, right? Yes. 15 to 50 feet away. To be exact, if you ever see that question on a test. We are out here making some deliveries. Figured I would bring you guys along with me. Got some clouds rolling in. I don't think it's supposed to rain today, but a little overcast. And my next stop's right over here on the right. These guys deal with big old containers. You may have seen one of these out on the road if you've ever been driving and go, what? That thing is massive. Big old containers over there. They make them all kinds of different sizes too. Had no idea what they house, but they're containers. Go this way. Make sure we miss everything. As a new driver, you always want to know where the butt of your trailer is at all times. Watch them wheels. Make sure you're passing everything, getting around everything, because it's easy if you're about to turn, you see you're going to hit, you can always stop and back up and make some corrections to get around stuff. But we're going to be going in this dock right here. This way. Back in this way. And look at there, look at there, look at there. We can see the dock. Get out there a little bit wider. About where that line is there in the concrete. No, we can get out there wide enough. There we go. This bender. There we go. Just like that. With those bumpers. There we go. They've got just one pallet here, so this will be a quickie. Oh, look at there. I guess their rain gauge hasn't been emptied in a while. Man, that stuff is potent. Lowering the drawbridge. I got this one pallet right here. What's nice about docks that slope like this, and if you have something that's heavy, gravity kind of is your friend. So you just don't want to let it run you over. Don't let it get going too fast. I just get it up and it starts moving. Again, you don't want it to get too quick. Oh yeah, it's got a little weight to it. Man, that stuff, man, if you could, if you had smell-o-vision, man, you definitely want to wear a mask in there all the time. Alright guys, I will see you at the next. Well, my next one is right up here on the right. And I consider a successful back on this one if I can do it with one pull-up. So let's see. So going in that dock from this direction. Let's see how we do. Alright, think we can do this in a one pull-up. I'll be happy with one pull-up. Alright, there's one. No. Yeah, I got in too deep with it is what I did. Should have cut it earlier, but I didn't. See if we can save it. See if we can save it. Where you at? Where you at, Mr. Doc? No, we ain't gonna be able to save it. Wasn't able to save it. Absolute fail. My next stop is right here. It'll be the final delivery of the day. We'll hit that dock right there. Down we go, down. You can feel it pull the trailer pulling back, pulling back. There we go. Hopefully this is going to be open. It might not be. Well, that heard me. How's it going?
Morning.
How's it going? We got 3 pallets for you guys.
Back home like shit. She can't call me. They like, Mark, don't pull that shit out. They been like that though. I know that, but I'm like, shit, I'm smoking my own.
Yeah, right there.
A lot of people in Dallas still do the
No, they ain't from Dallas though. You know, they're my homies.
okay. Yeah.
One of them moved down there, and then my other one, he flew down from Indiana.
There you go.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Oh, okay, y'all just met up.
Yeah.
Well, that's all the deliveries for today. I'll bring you guys along with me, probably for a pickup. I think we still got time on this video for at least one pickup, so we'll see you guys. Well, guys, we didn't do another pickup for today as far as going to an individual customer. As you can see, it's about dark. Chuck, what the heck? Yeah, I know. The windshield's just covered in bugs. You know, it's one of those things about being out here on the open roads. You help reduce the bug population with these big old windshields. But no, it's been a great day. Got to see a beautiful sunset there. And you know, there's nothing like being out here on the road whenever the sun goes down. You can kind of just beautiful seeing the sunrises at that. That's what I love most about driving a big truck. And but guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you happen to enjoy the content, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. But guys, until we see you at the next video, I want to thank you so much. And remember, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet. Now let's check out some of these beautiful trucks of the people who watch this channel who are out here helping move the economies. I can't even say America anymore because we got trucks coming from Australia and Nova Scotia and Canada. And so I would just want to say thank you to everybody who's out and you're out here on this road. This is not an easy job. This is not an easy profession. It can be very dangerous. There's a lot going on, a lot of things you got to watch out for, especially deer this time of year. But thank you so much for everything that you do out here on the road, wherever you may live, moving whatever it is you move. You're very important, and we all say thank you for it. But guys, we'll see you at the next video. Peace.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other.